When it comes to parenting, there are many different parenting styles that parents may use. 4 of those parenting styles are authoritarian, authoritative, permissive, and uninvolved. If Michael asked his parent to have an authoritarian parenting style, they would most likely respond with a high demandingness but low responsiveness. Parents who are high demanding have severe rules and punishments, are controlling, and require obedience without question or compromise. There would be consistent rules and severe punishment if they were broken. Authoritarian parenting also shows low responsiveness. They would not allow their child to explain their reason for wanting the video game. There is little to no affection that could lead to an unhealthy relationship. In this scenario, Michael's parents would easily become angry and demand that he does not rent the game. They immediately punish him for considering to buy it and forbid him from socializing with his friends.
If Michael's parents betrayed an authoritative parenting style, they would respond with no and help him find video games that are more age appropriate. Together, they will set rules about the video games that he is able to rent. They would have good communication. His parents are also understanding. They listen to Michael's perspective of why he wanted to rent the game and show appropriate affection towards him. Parents who are authoritative have clear rules, so their demandingness is still high, but the punishment, if these rules are broken, is less severe. The parent's responsiveness is high and the bond with their child is strong. They are also affectionate and demonstrate emotional attachment.
The third parenting style would be permissive. Permissive parents compare with authoritative parents and show high responsiveness. However, when it comes to demandingness, a permissive parents is low. They normally have a few rules and no punishments if the rules are broken. Expectations for their children are low. For example, if their child was late for curfew, they would get little to no punishment and their parents probably would not care. Even though these parents tend to not give punishments, they communicate with the children frequently and listen to their perspective. Permissive parents are often very affectionate and are emotionally attached to their children. A parent who is uninvolved or disengaged normally shows low demandingness and responsiveness. The relationship between these children and their parents tend to be unhealthy. This is because uninvolved parents normally are not engaged in the child and normally have no expectations or demands for their child. There is no communication in their relationship. Uninvolved parents are normally uninterested or unaware of anything related to their child. If Michael's parents were uninvolved, they would not have any rules about what kind of video games he could rent. When Michael asked them if he could rent the video game, his parents ignore the question or act like they do not care.
These 4 parenting styles differ greatly in demandingness and responsiveness. These aspects are what cause different responses for the same scenario.